Cryptoslo, cryptocurrency news and investing.
Cryptoslo with more crypto gains. What's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about Binance Smart Chain and BSCswap. So yes, BSCswap is a fork of Uniswap, but it is on the Binance Smart Chain. So what does this mean? This means that you'll have a place to sell your crappy Binance chain coins. Burger coin, this coin, donuts, basically the BEP20 token list. So basically you head on over to BSCswap, you hit connect wallet, and if you followed my other video on how to add the Binance Smart Chain to MetaMask, you'll be all set, and we'll go ahead and connect. And then as you can see, we are now in business. So as I talked about, the Binance smart contract space is expanding very, very rapidly. Keep in mind that none of these things are audited at the moment. Pretty much all the same settings as V2 Uniswap. We also have the Binance Smart Chain Explorer, which shows transactions and allows you to look at things. And they have a link to yield farms. So you can click on that and boom, they are actually listing yield farms. We have Bakery Swap, Swap Tuna, Peach Swap, Burgerswap, Spartan Protocol, Milk, and Prometheus. Market cap's not listing. So basically this is kind of like an Explorer 2 that allows you to see what yield farms are available. But as always, DYOR, these are very new and there could be scams perpetuating. So as this evolves, just be careful so you don't get wrecked. There's also the Binance Smart Chain Testnet Explorer that allows you to look at holders and other information. But to interact with these, as I said, you will need to be able to switch to the BSC mainnet on your MetaMask Ethereum wallet, and hopefully moving into the future, they will support Binance Chain Wallet as well, just because it's a little more native of an environment. But that is short and sweet. That's how I like to do it. Yield farming is on the Binance Smart Chain, and you are able to swap. Now, as far as seeing total liquidity, let's say that I picked Bake, and then I clicked on Pool. No liquidity found. So trying to view the liquidity, like I said, I see more and more tools coming about with this very, very rapidly. And I talked about picking up. I've started to accumulate BNB, as you will probably need it in order to interact with these protocols. Hope you liked today's video. Like and subscribe. Be sure to check out the full Binance Chain playlist. And as always, this is Cryptoslo. If you're not talking gains, then we're not talking.